To start, I'll add two sprites, one for pouring the water and another for talking. Click the plus icon on the left-hand side to add these sprites. For this project, I've chosen an older sister and a younger sister. The older sister will explain Kwanzaa and the Unity Cup. After selecting her sprite, you'll see it highlighted with an orange border, which means it's ready for coding. Drag a yellow event block, start on green flag block into the coding area. Use a purple events block, the say block, to have her say, "Today is Kwanzaa." Then add another say block to say the Unity Cup means togetherness. Finally, add one more say block to say, "We all drink from the cup." Click the green flag to ensure the dialogue runs smoothly. While the older sister speaks, the younger sister will walk to the pitcher, pour water into the Unity Cup, and complete her actions. Select the younger sister sprite on the left-hand side until it highlights with orange around the perimeter. Use an orange control block, a wait block, to delay her actions until the older sister finishes speaking. Add a blue motion block to move left to have her walk to the pitcher. Use the grid located above the stage to calculate movement from position 17 to 15, which is 2 steps. Click the green flag in the coding area to ensure your sprite reaches the pitcher. Use the Go Home icon above the stage to reset the project. We want to code the younger sister once she reaches the pitcher. We will use a yellow event block, a send message block, to send an orange message to the picture. Click on the picture sprite on the left-hand side. It will highlight in orange around the perimeter. When the picture receives the orange message, it will perform two actions. Using the blue motion blocks, the picture will move slightly upward and rotate left to simulate pouring. After the picture pours, it sends a send message, a different colored envelope, a red envelope, to the water sprite. Select the water sprite on the left-hand side. Drag out a receive message block when the water sprite receives the red message. Using the purple looks blocks, drag a hide block out to have the water hidden at the beginning. Then pull out and attach a show block to have it appear. The water appears, pours, and waits before hiding, using an orange control block, the wait block. Now we will attach the purple looks block, the hide block, to have it hide after the picture is set down. Test your code by clicking the green flag above the stage. We need to reset the picture to its original position using a go home block after the water disappears. Reset the project clicking the Go Home button above the stage and test your code. Ensure the Unity cup is close to where the water pours out. Reset the project clicking the Go Home button above the stage and test your code. The sprite pouring the water needs to take the cup to the other sprite. Using a blue motion block, I will drag out a go left block and change the parameter. I will use the grid icon to calculate the distance. To have the sprite move at same time as the cup, it will send a message. Using a yellow event block, drag out a send message block, a color that you have not used yet. Select the cup sprite on the left-hand side. Calculate the distance using the grid above the stage to have the cup reach the other sprite. Use the blue motion block, drag out a go left, and change the parameter to the desired distance. Select the sprite moving to the left with the cup. Drag out a go left motion block. Set the parameter to the same distance the cup is moving. Test your code by clicking the green flag above the stage. My cup moves before the sprite moves. If I read the code I wrote for the sprite, it says, when the flag is clicked, the sprite waits, then moves left 2, sends an orange message, Moves left 3 sends a yellow message, moves left 6. The bug is, as she sends the last message, she is waiting for that cup sprite to receive the message, which delays when she moves 6. Detach your last motion block from your line of code. Select the yellow event blocks. Drag out a send message block. Use the same color message as the last send message block in your code. Attach the blue motion block. Click the green flag above the stage to test your code. To celebrate Kwanzaa, add Happy Kwanzaa to the stage. Click ABC above the stage. Write Happy Kwanzaa and customize it. Change the color using the paint bucket. Adjust the size with the options on the left-hand side. Place the text where you would like on the stage. Make the project full screen and click the green flag to watch your animation.